I just need toggin for this, and I also have new shows that I add. Anyways, let's start. Gabby's Dollhouse, Team Umizoomi, The Magic School Bus, Bully, Oswald, Baby's Adventures Big and Small, The Picaro Show, Blue's Clues, Bonnie Bear, Dora the Explorer, Pitch and Potch, Bo on the Go, Granny's Feet, Go Diego Go, Maggie and the Ferocious Beast, Little Einsteins, In the Night Garden, Little Bill, Bloop and Loop, Strawberry Shortcake, Bob the Builder, Caillou, Jelly Jam, Shimmer and Shine, Super Y, Saigo of the Seas, Puka, The Mr. Man Show, Ni Hao Kai Wan, Macy,